Hi, Lam.
Hi, teacher.
Good morning, Lam. How are you, Lam? How
I'm
are you?
fine.
That's good. Where are you now?
I'm in no, um, my baby, Mr. Ant house.
Oh, you're in Mr. Ann's house. Why? Where is your mom and your dad? Where are they?
They go to work.
Oh, okay. But they will fetch you later this afternoon, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so enjoy your time there. Just you, Lam. What about Mia? Did she go to
yeah, I go to
school?
school.
Oh, okay. And you don't have to go to school. You don't have an extra class.
Yeah,
Okay. Wait, did you send me your homework, Lam?
I didn't see me. Oh, I remember. Yes,
Yes, you did. Wait, let me see. Oh, yes, you did. Okay, let me share my screen and let us talk about your homework, Lam. So after, what will you do in Mr. Ann's house, Lam?
what teacher?
What will you do there?
Uh,
Just relax, Lam.
yeah,
Okay. Now, let us have this one. Okay, so all you have to do is to fill in do, does, is, and are. So, are the hippos swimming in the river now? Are your brothers play? Okay. Now, in here, Lam, we can say, are your brothers play video games every day? Because we only use is and are for questions that are happening right now, Lam. Like, for example, are the hippos swimming in the river now? Okay, see?
no,
Now, so in here, which means you only have two options left, Lam. Is it do or does? Do or does?
the that's teacher.
It's does, Lam.
I think that.
Okay, so since we have here brothers, Lam, our question word would be do. Okay, do. Do your brothers play video games every day? Okay. Now, what about for three? Okay, does John usually do his homework at home? Yes, very good. This is correct, Lam. Is what is your answer here? Is it is or do? Lam?
It's teacher.
Yes. Okay, yes, very good. Is the dog jumping in the street now? Do it often? Now, our subject here, Lam, is it. So we can't use do. Do is only for plural ones. Okay, so it should be does. Does it often snow in the mountains? Okay.
Yeah,
Again, tell me, Lam, when do we use do? When do we use
for
do?
this one thing.
No, it's not for one thing.
Uh, Since this person continues.
It's for.
Um,
Okay, so it should be. Do is for plural. Does is for singular. Okay? Singular, lam. Now, for six. Does my cousin play football every week? Okay. Now, do Julia and Bob um writing a text today. Okay, now in here, Lam, still, we will not use do because this is not a present simple sentence. It is a present continuous. It's happening around this time. See, today. So it should be are Julia and Bob writing a text today? Okay?
Yeah.
And when do we use do and does? Do and does. When do we use these?
D.
When do we use these? Do and does.
Yeah.
When do we use do and does, Lam? Do and
Doing
does.
just when we used to when mm, it's so hard to do.
Okay, we use do and does for present simple or present continuous. When?
Yeah.
Present simple or present continuous? Choose one, Lam.
Present continuous.
Not present continuous, Lam. It's present simple. Present simple. Again, can you tell me what is present simple, Lam?
Teacher is so hard and I không.
Oh, no, it's not difficult, Lam. We've been talking about this topic for, I believe, for a month now, Lam. So you should be familiar with it by now. Okay, it's not difficult, Lam. It's not difficult. Are you playing right now?
No, I see it difficult real teacher.
Okay, so it's okay. Let me explain it to you again. We use present simple for the things that are generally true, facts, or routines and habits.
Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại đơn cho những điều đúng sự thật, những hoạt động thường nhật và thói quen.
Teacher, can you?
Yes, Lam. Can I?
Can you?
Chúng ta sử dụng thì
You,
hiện tại đơn cho những điều đúng sự thật, những hoạt động thường nhật và thói quen.
Okay, do you get it now, Lam?
it's still hard, teacher.
It's difficult, Lam.
Yeah.
Okay, let us go back to your homework. Okay, so in here, as you can see, we have here the usage of do and does. Okay, do and does, Lam. Does my cousin play football every week? Yes, they do. This is a present simple question, Lam, because we are asking about habit or a routine, Lam, that we don't do not only just now, Lam, but it becomes our habit. We do it every week, Lam. Okay? Does my cousin play football every week? Like, for example, you can as well say, I go to my English class every Monday.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, That is a present simple tense, lam, because it shows routine, lam, a habit that we do every week, every Monday of the week. Okay, now for present simple, we use do and does. Do is for, is it singular, lam, or plural?
Yeah.
Do is for, is it singular or plural? Yes, lam. Singular
I think
or
so.
plural? No, we've talked about this one already many times, lam.
Do my cousin play football every week?
Is it singular, lam, or plural? Do.
Two.
It's for do. Is it singular for singular subjects or plural subjects?
Plural subject.
Yes, for plural subjects. What about does? Does. Does. Is. It's.
It's so hard, teacher.
No, it's not
Do, is it
difficult.
do, teacher?
Do is for, you said do is for plural. So, which means does is for? Does is for?
Does it for
Does is for what?
plural?
No, does is not for plural because we said that do is for plural, right? Do is plural, which means does is singular. Does is singular, lam.
Yes.
Now, what about is and are? Is and are. When do we use is? When do we use is?
Is when do we use it's for the
Yes.
boy or girl?
Okay, for the boy or girl, that is just one lam or many?
You, teacher?
Just one or many? Just one or many?
Many, teacher.
Okay. For singular lam. Okay, this one. Is and does, lam. Is and does, singular. Okay? Lam?
Singular.
Yes.
So
See,
how,
it
teacher?
ends. No, it's not difficult, lam. Okay, I'll give you a hint. See, it ends with S. And is as well ends with S. So, it is for singular subject. Okay, singular subjects. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, do and are, they are for? They are for? Singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay, very good. Remember that one, lam. Please remember that. Now, since we're done talking about present simple, let us talk again about present continuous. We use the present continuous tense when we're talking about the things that are currently happening, which means happening right now or around this time, or it talks about future arrangement.
Thầy âm được một cái nha. Ôi trời ơi, đừng có thua thế. Đừng có chui mà.
Chúng ta sử dụng
Chui
thì
vào
hiện
đây.
tại tiếp diễn khi
Rồi,
nói
chui
về
vào.
những việc đang xảy ra, tức là đang diễn ra ngay bây giờ hoặc vào khoảng thời gian
Cái
này,
này thì vậy.
hoặc khi nói về một kế hoạch trong tương lai.
Đi ngủ đi. Ỉa đi chứ, ỉa đi. Ỉa đâu có chụp đấy. Nó ngủ cắn nha. Đừng có ngủ cắn nha. Ngồi ỉa đi. Ai? Con chuột đâu đâu? Con chuột đâu đâu? À, con chuột đã yên chưa em ỉa nha. Ỉa đâu có kìa.
Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại tiếp diễn khi nói về những việc đang xảy ra, tức là đang diễn ra ngay bây giờ hoặc vào khoảng thời gian này, hoặc nói về kế hoạch trong tương lai. Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại đơn cho những điều đúng sự thật, những việc làm thường nhật và thói quen.
Do you want to hear it again, Lam? Or you understand it now?
I hear again for understand again
Okay, okay.
because
Chúng
I
ta
don't know.
sử
Cái giấy ướt
Yes,
cô
Lam.
cô thấy đâu cô lấy cô gái lấy giùm tôi.
Okay, focus, Lam, focus.
Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại tiếp diễn khi nói về những việc đang xảy ra, tức là đang diễn ra ngay bây giờ hoặc vào khoảng thời gian này, hoặc nói về kế hoạch trong tương lai. Chúng ta sử dụng thì hiện tại đơn cho những điều đúng sự thật, những việc làm thường nhật và thói quen.
Okay, Lam.
Yeah.
Do you understand it now, Lam?
Yeah, but I don't know why my eyes so I didn't do that.
What? Your eyes are hurting?
Yeah.
Your eyes hurt, Lam?
Yeah.
Oh, so sorry to hear that, Lam. Maybe you should wear glasses for your protection, Lam. Do you have glasses? Sunglasses? Eyeglasses?
No, but I think I don't need it's okay.
Okay. Well, you can just put down your iPad, Lam, so we can talk easily. Okay. So, going back here, Lam, again, can you tell me when do we use do and does?
Đi ra thì rửa đâu bị bé chứ không.
Again, Lam, when do we use do and does?
Đây đó, ra đi. Ê, chị dạy học đi nha. Đây.
Teacher, Mr. and Dr. Cry because she wants to play with me, but I am learning with you.
Oh no. So sorry to hear that, Lam. But don't worry, Lam. It'll be quick. Yeah, but we still have 30 minutes left. Okay. Now, again, Lam, do and does are for present simple, present continuous.
Present continuous.
Present simple, Lam. Simple, Lam. Present simple. What about are and is?
I and this.
Yes.
Why is it so hard? I don't know.
No, it's not hard. Do you have paper and pen? Paper and pen? You can write it down. You can write it down.
No.
No, you don't?
Teacher, but I can't. I have, but I can't use it because I need to get because I need it for writing
Oh,
something.
okay. So just remember, Lam, do and does, Lam, present simple, is and are, that is for present continuous, okay? Present continuous. So if we are talking about generally true statements, facts, habits, routines, we will use either do or does. It depends on the subject. If our subject is he, she, it, we will use does. If our subject is I, you, we, they, we will use do. But if we are talking about the things that are happening right now around this time or talks about future arrangement, then we will use are or is. And of course, it still depends as to our subject. Is it only one or many? If our subject is he, she, it, we will use is. If our subject are plural ones, then we will use are. Okay?
Yeah.
But for subject I, we will use not is, not are, but okay, is, are, am. Okay, now moving on, Sally watches TV every morning. This is correct, Nick reads. Okay, now in here, can you change your answer? We have here Nick, and then in the brackets, we have read, but it is happening right now. Can you change your answer here? Can you try to change your answer, Lam?
Để chị hai học. Chị hai đấy. Chị hai học nha.
Teacher, my gas she said I would give you.
How old?
Chị hai. Hai
Oh,
học. Hai
wait.
học bài đi.
She's big already. Hello. How old is she now, Lam?
5. No, 1.
1. Oh, time flies so fast, Lam. And she's already.
She said lay down.
And she can walk. Not only that, she can talk.
She can do everything.
She can do
And
everything.
Miss Anne, how she say hey, but she never stops saying.
Hello. What's her name, Lam?
Sorry.
Sari?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
But I
a
think
lovely
we
name.
continue because
Now, let's continue, Lam. So, can you change your answer for
Đi đây tôi sẽ học nào.
thanks my answer way teacher.
for 2, Lam? We have here the question is happening right now.
Nick's
It should be.
Nick is reading comics right now.
Yes, very good, Lam. What about for 3? The children usually play in the yard. Okay, this is correct.
Plays. Is that to
No, it's play. This is correct, Lam. We only use plays, Lam, if it is child. Like my child usually plays in the yard.
Tôi gọi nói gì
Child is the singular form
không hiểu được
for
Sao đi đâu hiểu
children.
được ai nói gì đâu.
Now for 4, my
Nói
cat
gì đâu.
sometimes
Xin lỗi.
fish. Very good.
Xin lỗi.
Okay. Now
Nói
our
chuyện.
mom always
Vui
makes
được
yummy cake. Ben and I.
Xin lỗi.
Okay, change your answer for 6, Lam.
Nói gì á? Cô giáo nói gì á?
You change your
For
answer for
6.
6. Yes.
It's not correct, teacher.
Yes, it's not correct, Lam.
Cô giáo nói đâu.
Oh, okay.
Cái nào vậy? Cái nào vậy? Cái túi. Cái riêng.
Teacher, can I have a minute to think?
Yes, of course, Lam. Of course.
Nó nè. Đồ đẹp hả? Đồ đẹp của em. Đồ đẹp của em. Bên chơi chơi thôi. Biết cô biết ba biết cô biết biết bà biết bà biết cô biết bà biết bà biết cô. Rồi nè đấy một hai ba đậu cho một cái này đẹp
Yes,
biết đẹp không
Lam.
biết chưa
Can I
này đẹp chưa
have an answer now?
đẹp vào
I think
rồi
it's so.
hơi đồ
Mm-hmm.
nha đầu tiên nha
What's the answer?
Can you help me this one?
Okay, now it's happening right now. See, at the moment, Lam. So,
Oh, is it is doing?
okay, yes. It should be are listening. Lam are listening. Okay, are listening to music at the moment. Always remember, Lam, that if it is happening right now, Lam, you have to use is or and then the ing. Okay, now what about for 7? We often go to the cinema. This is correct. Tom ride his bicycle. Okay, now we have today, Lam. Today.
đấy chưa
It should be,
Today,
yes.
if let me say, I think this one is hard.
Okay, it's today, Lam. Tom, not ride, not rides. It should be,
Not writing.
what is the answer? What is the answer here, Lam? Yes, Lam.
It's so hard. How can I do it? Teacher, can you help me? Because it's really hard.
Okay, so since our
Is
subject here,
we
Lam, is
often goes is it
no,
goes?
7 is correct, Lam. 7 is correct. What I'm asking you to answer is item 8. Item 8.
Ngồi yên kìa dạ đố đang đi đâu ngồi yên nha ngồi yên chạy vô đi em chạy vô đi
Teacher is so loud here.
không có một chuyện có cái này là một phòng
Yes, I can hear it, Lam. You are in the same room as them. Okay, so again, Lam, it should be, it is present, continuous, Lam is, are, and am, right? And then the ing.
nhưng mà đó em đấy
Here it should
cô
be,
lấy ta để đâu tiền cô lấy bà đấy ấy đừng ra đây cô robot bốt vô chân này anh lao vô chân kìa đó muốn chạy vô chân này này đến đây rồi đó
Here is so loud. What do I do now?
this is a present continuous tense, Lam. Present continuous tense. So is, are, am, and then the ing. So what is our answer here? Yes, Lam. What is your answer here, Lam?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
It should be Tom is our and then the ing, Lam. What is the answer?
What is the answer here?
Yes, look at 8. Look at 8.
If I look at I will know.
Yes,
Teacher,
you would know. Yes, you would know, Lam. 8, Lam, 8.
teacher,
Yes,
my
Lam.
sister is no, my baby sister is doing something with me. My cousin, she is fighting with the iPad.
Oh, maybe she wants to watch something,
Đây cái tay
Lam.
nè, cái tay nè. She want my hand. Continue teacher.
Đi chơi với bài thì đi học. Đi ra đấy đồ chơi nào không biết. Không có bàn sang mà lát nó còn chơi giờ. Thằng lớn thì chơi với em.
Continue teacher. Tom is riding his bike to school today.
Okay, yes, very good. Is riding. Okay. Now, last one.
Chơi với nó, em tôi còn chơi nữa.
Last one. I. It should be I. It should be I.
Dạ, bắt xe hả? Bắt chớp chứ.
What is it, Lam?
Dạ, tốt chứ.
See, every Saturday, Lam, which means it is a routine, Lam. It's a routine. So, what should be our answer here? It has to be. Okay, take your time thinking, Lam.
It's so hard, teacher.
No, it's not difficult actually, Lam. You can do this, Lam.
Oh. Hmm. I clean the room.
Okay, yes. I clean my room every Saturday. Okay, yes, that is correct, Lam. Thank you so much for that. And now let us move on to your book. Okay, so in here we'll have this. Okay, so we have here a letter, Lam, and all you have to do is to fill in. Okay, so we have here, complete the emails with the present continuous form of the verbs in the box. Like for this one, hi, how are you? I'm on holiday, but I'm not having a very good time. Okay, not having. Okay, present continuous, Lam. Can you complete this, Lam? Continue, Lam.
No.
Present continuous.
It's so hard, teacher.
It's hard?
Yeah.
Why? Why is it hard? All you have to do is to add the present continuous form of the verb, Lam. Present continuous. Again, what is present continuous? What is present continuous?
Have ing ing.
Yes. Yes. Is, are, am, and then the ing. So, what is your answer for the first one? The weather's bad. It.
Yeah.
It. We have here the options, Lam, so it will be easier for you to answer. Okay? You have to make the present continuous form of the verbs given. Like, for example, not have. I'm not having because we have to use is, are, am, and then the ing, right? But what about for one?
It's so hard, teacher. Is it
What do you think is the answer for the first one, Lam? Is it get ready, have, not rain, rain, shine, swim, use, or write? See, the weather's bad. It, the weather's bad.
the weather is bad. It's rain.
Okay, it is.
I read the
Raining,
letter.
Lam. Okay, it is raining. I,
I eat.
what do you think?
I write with my dad.
Mhm.
Teacher, can I go toilet first?
Okay, Lam.
I'm back. Teacher, I'm back.
Yes, Lam. Okay. Now let us proceed to our discussion. So, can you tell me your answer for the next one, Lam? The weather is bad. It is raining. I blank dad's laptop. It's I. It's
Um,
I. What is your answer? I get ready. I have. I not rain. I shine. I swim. I use. I write.
can I have I need to think.